Hello friends, I am Gangopadhyay. I am a teacher and I want to teach mathematics and physics and chemistry. To start with, I take mathematics and to be very precise, I take mensuration as the beginning chapter for the standard class 9 and 10 for all the boards, ICSE, CBSE and Madhyamik as well. So mensuration, as we told earlier, the mensuration I take as the beginning chapter because I think mensuration is very much necessary for the future academic career because it is associated with so many geometrical problems. So now for this day, for the first day of my channel, I begin with the initial chapter for class 9, the area of triangle. Area of triangle, as you know, is the beginning of the chapter, and area of triangle. Area of triangle. And as you know, there are some formulas for determining the area of triangles. Firstly, the basic formula, half into base into height. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. You know. And secondly, it's a famous formula, Heron's formula, as you know. It is associated with the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter, S, it is denoted by S equal to the sum of the sides divided by 2 perimeter. So perimeter, as you know, sum of the sides A plus B plus C, and it is semi-perimeter denoted by S. So A plus B plus C by 2. So the Heron's formula is area of a triangle equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square unit. So there are two basic formulas. One is half into base into height, and the second one is Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter equal to A plus B plus C by 2, and A, B, C are the respective sides of the triangle. I think it is clear up to now. And nextly, I will go directly to the sum, and as you know that I cannot solve each and every sums. I will just go through some tricky sums, some critical sums as well, which you may need some help to solve with. So I will try to make solution for those type of sums only. Here is a sum. A triangle ABC. It is given a triangle ABC. ABC. Now from B we draw a perpendicular on AC. It is also given there is a perpendicular BD on AC, and the clues are given. 1. AD is to DC. The ratio of AD and DC equal to 3 is to 2. AD is to DC equal to 3 is to 2. And secondly, the area of triangle ABC equal to 40 square centimeter. The area of triangle ABC equal to 40 square centimeter. And what we require to determine is the area of triangle BDC. The smaller triangle BDC, that's the triangle we are required to find out its area. On the basis of these clues, two clues only. First one is AD is to DC equal to 3 is to 2, and the second one is the overall area of the triangle ABC equal to 40 square centimeter. Now AD is to DC, as I told earlier, 3 is to 2, and triangle ABC area equal to 40 square centimeters. Now AD is to DC is given 3 is to 2, so we can take AD as 3x and DC as 2x centimeter. DC as 2x and AD as 3x centimeter. So now the triangle ABC's area is given 40 square centimeter. Now for the triangle, as I told earlier you, that there is two formulas, basic two formulas that they are to determine, to find out the area of a triangle is half into base into height. First one, and the second one I told you, Heron's formula, root over s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So the question is which formula we should take for this very sum. So if you study it, for this triangle ABC, only the AC side we know. The value of AC side is 3x plus 2x, we can take it as 5x. But what is the value of BC? We don't know. What is the value of AB? It is also unknown to us. So, if we apply the formula, Heron's formula, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, so there is ABC, out of ABC, it is maybe A, B or C. One of the three sides is known here. So, if we put this formula here, it is unknown to AB, or the value of AB and value of BC. So there are so many variables. So it will be very lengthy. So why not we use this formula? Because what is the reason? Because there is some base into height. So in a triangle there is a base. So we can take which one is that base? BC? No, because what we know, where there is a triangle in it, there is a perpendicular in a triangle, we take it always as the height. It is very clear, I repeat again, wherever you see a triangle, perpendicular on any triangle, the perpendicular falls on this side, it is taken as base, and the perpendicular is always be taken as height. So perpendicular here falls on AC. So AC is invariably we can take as base, and the BD is the height. So it is very easy, the base and height we can use this formula, but it is some troublesome, as I told you earlier. So if we take it for triangle ABC, area half into, what is the base? AC, told earlier, AC into, what is the height? I told you earlier that always the perpendicular is the height. So BD equal to, it is already given 40. So half into AC is indirectly known to us 3x plus 2x. AD is 3x, DC is 2x. So AC is 5x into BD is unknown to us. BD equal to 40. So what is the value of BD? BD equal to 40 into 2 by 5x. I think you can follow this. So 5, 8, 16 by x centimeter is the value of BD. Value of BD is 16 by x centimeter. Now we are required to find the area of BDC. So whenever we find the area of BDC, then again we need the height of BDC triangle. So again it is BD. I told you earlier, wherever you find the perpendicular, it is the height. So BD into what is the base? BD perpendicular falls on which side? DC. So DC is the base and BD is the height. So BD into CD should be the area of half into BD into CD should be the area of BDC, and BD is known to us, CD is known to us. So why don't you apply this formula? So area of BDC equal to half into base CD into height BD equal to half CD 2x and BD 16 by x. So it is 16 square centimeter. I again repeat. Triangle ABC and there is a perpendicular on AC and given AD is to DC equal to 3:2 and the area of this bigger triangle ABC equal to 40 square centimeter. So what we need to determine is the area of the smaller triangle BDC. For this, as it is given ABC's area, we indirectly deduce the formula of ABC's area, and as we told you earlier, between these two formula, this formula is troublesome for this particular sum because the sides are not well known to us. So we apply this formula because the base is AC and the height is BD. So we apply, this is convenient for this sum. So we apply this formula, half into AC base into height BD equal to, it is given 40. So half into AC's value 3x plus 2x 5x into BD, it is unknown to us. So for this equation, from this equation we deduce the value of BD equal to 16 by x centimeter. Now the area of BDC, again this formula BDC, because some height is there, BD is the height and CD is the base. So for BDC, half into base into height equal to half into 16 by x into 2x. CD is base, so half into 2x into 16 by x, ultimately it is 16 square centimeter. So I think now you understand this problem, and that's all for today, and I request you to subscribe for our channel, and you can give your comments also in the comment section and feedback also, so that we can improve. And one thing more, if you have any some particular problem you cannot solve on your own, then please contact me. I am giving here my Gmail number, email number I am giving here. You follow it and note it down so that you can contact me here. Utpal, GANGOPADHYAY @gmail.com. UTPAL @gmail.com. You can mail over here for any problem, any sort of suggestions or any type of opinion you have. So please, that's all for today. Thank you.